Learning phonics can be intimidating for children, but not if you make learning fun. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can introduce digraphs to your children with fun games. Stay tuned to find out more. Welcome to Motivation Monday, episode 6. This series is brought to you by HP Instant Ink. If you are keen to raise motivated learners at home, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be alerted when we post our weekly Motivation Monday videos. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can build confidence in your children by making learning new words fun. I use a printer very often when I create games and activities for my children. My kids love to see how the activities come alive from the computer to their hands, and this digraph slider is one of their favorites. Since I've already done this for my children, I've uploaded it to the HP website for you where you can download for free, so click the link in the description box below. I use the HP Instant Ink subscription service and never have to worry about running out of ink because HP does the job for me. HP Instant Ink will automatically arrange for the ink to be delivered right to my doorstep. It is so convenient. In addition, I can save up to 50% on ink cartridges with HP Instant Ink. The subscription is also sustainable as I can recycle responsibly by returning the cartridges. If you don't have a printer or your printer has run out of ink for weeks, don't let these reasons stop your children from learning with print. You can start with the 3 months free trial of HP Instant Ink if you own or purchase any of HP's eligible printer. That will be about 1,500 pages and is worth more than $200. So click on the sign up link in the description box below. After learning the basic phonemic sounds, your preschoolers are now ready to move on to learning digraphs. Note that this video is only for children who have mastered their basic phonemic sounds. So what are digraphs? I like to explain to my children that digraphs are like best friends forever, so 2 letters will come together to make one sound. For example, S and H will come together to make the sound sh, as in bush or shell. A digraph can be made up of vowels and consonants, but for this video, we'll just focus on helping our children learn about consonant digraphs. Some examples of consonant digraphs include letter C and K coming together to make the sound K as in sock, T and H coming together to make the sound F as in thick, P and H coming together to make the sound F as in phone, S and H coming together to make the sound sh as in shell, W and H coming together to make the sound w as in whale, and C and H coming together to make the sound ch as in chat. In this video, I will share with you 3 steps that you can try with your children to help them learn about digraphs, and we will start right from the basics. We will use SH sh as an example in this video. Instead of jumping straight to the words, I encourage you to start with pictures and sounds. Being able to listen and identify the digraphs in words is key. I like to print out pictures of these digraphs, read out what the pictures are, and have my child cut and sort them. In the process of sorting, the child learns concept attainment, which is to compare and contrast examples, and this deepens their understanding of the digraph. You can use this printable that I've created and encourage your kids to cut and sort them into 2 groups: words with the sh sound and words without the sh sounds. After listening to the sounds, we can then move on to help our children identify the letters SH in words. By visually scanning the words, this is a good practice to help children read and identify the digraphs in the words. You can get your little ones to use a highlighter or a marker to write down the letters SH that he or she can find in this printable. Notice that in the first 2 steps, I intentionally included pictures because we want our children to be confident and be able to relate the words to the pictures. When your kids are more confident, you can then move on to step 3 with the SH slider. In the slider, we have removed the pictures and children will simply read the words. For tactile learners, this slider can engage several of their senses as they slide to read. Simply print out this printable, cut slits along the dotted lines and the word strip, slot the words in and encourage your children to slide and read. I hope you find these printables helpful, but at the same time, don't just rely on the printables. Don't forget to read aloud to your children daily. Once your children have mastered these single words, you can then expose them to decodable text to help them gain confidence in reading. If you are like me and you believe in instilling the joy of learning in your children, don't forget to check out this video where I share fun ideas to help your kids develop reading skills. Subscribe to my channel before you go. I'm excited to share the next Motivation Monday video with you to give you more tips and ideas. I'll see you. Goodbye!